come for a hug, head straight for a kiss. Don't come for my face, cause I'm talking about my I'ma need all of my kisses down there. One hand on my neck, one pulling on my hair.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is Ty, aka Glambytai, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is on this luscious curly hair, y'all. Super bomb, super cute. I did overpluck her a little bit. I mean, not overpluck her, overbleach her just a little bit. So don't mind that, okay? So yeah, like I said, I did overbleach her just a tad bit. But you guys, this install was super fun. I did this install a little bit different than I do usually on my wigs. Just because I cut the lace before I installed it. But actually, I'm not even mad, sis. Like, I'm not even mad at all. Like, it came out very, very nice. Very nice. This hair is from Victoria's Wigs. I will show you guys all of the information down below in the description. If you guys don't know who Victoria's Wigs is, I've worked with them plenty of times before. I love their hair. I love their hair. Everybody always comes to ask me all the time, where's a good, like, nice, decent spot that I could get a decent wig from? Victoria's Wigs. That would be my #1 recommendation, is Victoria's Wigs. So yeah, you guys, if you want to see how I got these nice curls and the baby hairs and all of that thing, and a nice cute install, then just keep watching.
Okay, so jumping right into the video, I'm showing you guys what the unboxing looks like. Y'all know that I love Victoria's Wigs, and every time that they send me something, they always give me like little cute goodies. So this time they sent me a little Velcro bag, and it had 2 wig caps, like 2 different shades, which is great, okay? Because honestly, sometimes they don't match your skin tone, okay? And then they also went on ahead and gave me a rat tail comb, an edge tame brush, which I am going to be using today in today's video. They also gave me like a little brush to apply the lace glue, and a pair of tweezers. Alright, so now jumping right into the wig. This is a 20-inch, 200% density water wave wig. I love their curly hair, y'all. I love their curly hair. I love all of their hair. But honestly, I'm starting to think the water wave is my favorite. They went on ahead and gave me 4 combs with an adjustable strap as well. And I believe this is a 13x6 frontal. This frontal is bomb as hell. As you can see on the inside, I already went on ahead and put my little foundation. That's why the wig cap looks like that and all that. But let's just see what she looks like, child. So I wouldn't even lie to y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of over bleached this frontal. Now, what I mean by that is because, child, I went on ahead, put the bleach on. I went out to my corner store literally for like 5 minutes. And I don't know if the developer was too high or what the situation was, but she wound up being a little bleached. But anyway, moving right along, I brushed every other hair back, pinned it back, cut my ear tabs, as y'all can see. So now something that I did a little bit different with this wig than all my other installs was I went on ahead and cut the lace before I installed it on my head. Yeah, it looks a little weird, judge your mother, but watch, it's gonna all fall into line. Y'all know to apply my wigs, I'm using my Ghost Bond lace glue. Y'all, this wig will lay on for my head for probably like 5 days with this wig glue. And then after 5 days, child, I ain't wearing no wig for that long. I take it right off and either do a reinstall or do something new. But I'm starting with my middle section, putting, you know, my lace glue. And I'm using this like white little spatula to smooth everything out and to create a thin layer. If I'm not mistaken, I think I did 2 to 3 layers. I want to say, I definitely did 2. I want to say about 3. Boom, here my little cheat sheet, okay? I'm taking my quote quote baby hairs, or the hairline of our wig, right? And I'm pulling that out, and I'm gonna use that to pull the wig all the way forward. That way I know kind of where to stop my wig, like where my lace glue is finished. If that makes sense, y'all. Like I said, it's always easier to watch me than to hear me, okay? So as y'all can see, that's what made it look like scalp, child. We laid it perfectly fine, and then I'm gonna take my blow dryer, blow dry that, and repeat on the sides. just so y'all know, as I'm doing my hair, I always do realize like there's things that I can do different when I'm putting my wigs on. So this time, like, all right, so when I did that middle section, I actually went on ahead and put the glue down first and then tried to take out my baby hairs. But this time on the sides, I actually took it out first, held them, then put my glue, and then I spreaded that out, everything. And then when I went on ahead to actually lay the wig, it made it 10 times easier because I had already taken out the baby hairs. Not just that, it actually makes it easier to pull on the wig when you're laying your wig down. So I know that sounds kind of confusing, but when you are going ahead and pull your wig, you don't want to actually pull on the lace, because then you could possibly tear your lace. If you're pulling on your baby hairs, that's fine, because at the end of the day, you're going to cut those hairs anyway, if that makes sense. Now for the sides, I do believe I did 2 layers of glue. I don't do 3 layers of glue on the sides, only because I feel like the sides do tend to lift more than the middle, and the more glue you put, I just feel like it just creates a bigger mess and bigger residue. So I try not to put that many layers on the sides, and although I don't put that many layers, they still hold up just like the middle of my section head. So honestly, it's all up to you. Do whatever works for you. Honestly, I just prefer to do 2 layers on the sides and, do my 3 layers in the middle. Now that I got everything lined up, I'm going to take my wrapping foam from Olive Oil, and I'm using that to brush the baby hairs forward, because that's what's going to go forward. And the rest of the hair, we're going to use that to just wipe it back. This way that when I go on ahead and put my scarf on, everything is already molded for our baby hairs. So little trick that I did this time, I pinned my hair up, put my scarf on. After I was done putting my scarf on, I took my blow dryer for like 10 minutes and I blow dried everything. I feel like this helps the wrapping foam not soak up the lace glue. That way the lace glue won't get wet. Like if you ever try to do your baby hairs after a wig and it kind of lifts a little bit, this is the step that I would take in order so it don't lift. Now that we got everything good, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut my baby hairs. Now, how short you make yours, how long, it's all up to you. But do y'all see that wig just looking like scalp on the sides? Okay, child, don't play with it. Honestly, I feel like over bleaching this frontal wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, because it honestly made everything look super natural. So it was still a win-win. I'm going to take that edge tape brush that they gave me, brand new. I love me a nice new edge brush. And I'm going to take my olive oil rabbit foam, and that's what I'm going to use to do my baby hairs. Now, this time I did them a little bit OD, okay? Just because I was going for that look. I have big curly hair, so I want big, you know, looking baby hairs. All up to you, all based off preference. Honestly, the more you practice with your baby hairs, the better you're going to get. So be patient, sis. Thank God for editing, because honestly sometimes it takes me a minute to do one fucking swoop. Like I might be on one swoop for a good like 3-4 minutes. For what? Me trying to perfect it, trying to do all this shit. Like look, just struggling. I keep looking in the mirror and then trying to fix it, and then looking in the mirror and trying to fix it. Child, if you can't get your baby hairs right away, you are not the only one. Just keep practicing. Finally, when I got my baby hairs how I want them, I'm gonna take my scarf, I'm gonna wrap that, lay that. Honestly, you could do on ahead and do the blow drying again, but I didn't feel the need to. I just was like, let me just style this hair. So I went on ahead and wet the hair, got everything detangled, and we're ready for styling. To style this wig, I'm going to be using my Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream, the leave-in conditioner. Smells so fucking good. And I'm going to just rub this all through the curls. Honestly, this made the curls bomb. However, now, this is a little con with this wig. I did realize that the front of the wig, which is the frontal, is a little bit drier, has lower porosity than the rest of the wig. So when you are styling this wig, please be generous with your hair oil. I'm using the Garnier Fructis silk oil. I'm using that for the day, but just be generous with the front more than the back, because like I said, it has lower porosity, so it takes a little bit longer for the hair to retain any type of moisture. So just keep that in mind.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished result. I love it. I love the way it came out. It was super freaking cute. The curls are so juicy and bouncy. It could have been the products. Yeah. But the hair itself is super, super, super soft. So far, so good. I'm not getting like no tangles or nothing. No major shedding other than me plucking, which y'all know that happens. But no major shedding. So far, so good. Fingers crossed. Make sure y'all going ahead and follow me on my Instagram at It's Glambytai. Also, follow me on Twitter. I'm back on my Twitter and shit, doing my little thing. Follow me on Twitter at Glambytai. Make sure y'all going ahead and add me on TikTok too. Y'all might as well just add on my social medias. But add me on TikTok at Glambytai as well. So y'all can see just, you know, some makeup tutorials, some quick wig tutorials, some funny videos, etc., etc. More pictures and shit like this. Like I said, down in the description box below, I'm going to have all of Victoria's wigs information. And so y'all can go on ahead and check them out. I would highly, highly recommend. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.